Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Comfort Steven and today we're going to be talking about why most people fail at remote jobs and how you can actually succeed at one. Imagine posting one remote job opportunity and within 24 hours, over 3,000 people applied for the job. Sounds amazing, right? But here is the shocking part. Almost 90% of the applicants could not qualify for the job, not because they were lazy, not because they were not educated, but because they did not have the basic digital skills required for a remote job. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how anyone can become remote job ready within 3 to 6 months. We manage a professional WhatsApp community with over 20,000 job seekers, and every time a remote job opportunity is posted, thousands of them apply. But very few people actually understand what companies are looking for. So in this video, I will show you 10 remote jobs beginners can learn in 3 to 6 months, the non-negotiable digital skills required for remote work, a step-by-step roadmap to become remote job ready, and then lastly, free platforms where you can learn these skills and earn a certificate. This video is sponsored by IA, the AfriTech Youth Empowerment Initiatives. So if you are serious about earning online, working remotely, or starting a new career in tech, watch this video to the end because there's going to be a juicy announcement by IA for 10 of our lucky viewers at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. Many people think remote jobs mean work from home, use your phone, and earn in dollars. But the truth is, remote job is not free money. They are actually global jobs, which means you are competing with people from different countries. People from Europe, people from Asia, people from America are all competing for the same position. And these people already have digital skills. So if you want to work remotely, there are 3 non-negotiable skills that you must have. Now, the first on my list is basic computer literacy. You must learn how to use Microsoft Word. You must learn how to work with Excel spreadsheets. You must learn how to manage files and folders, learn how to send professional emails, and also how to join Zoom meetings. Without these basic skills, remote work becomes impossible. Now let's move to the second part, digital communication. Remote workers communicate mostly through emails, Slack, Zoom, and project management tools. You must be able to write clearly, give updates, and ask professional questions because in remote work, communication is everything. The third on my list is one digital specialized skill. Now, this is the most important part. Companies don't hire workers because they need people. They hire workers because they need skills. So now the question becomes, what digital skill can you offer? Now let's talk about 10 remote jobs that beginners can learn within 3 to 6 months. 1, we have visual assistants. Businesses need help with email management, scheduling meetings, research, and data entry. 2, we have data analysis. Companies constantly need people to update databases, manage spreadsheets, and organize information. If you know Excel or Google Sheets, you already have an advantage. 3, we have social media manager. Millions of businesses struggle with their online presence, so they hire remote workers to help post content, reply messages, and manage their social media pages in general. 4, we have content writing. This is one of the most accessible online careers. Companies hire writers to create blog articles, website content, and product description, and the demand keeps growing. 5, we have graphic design. Designers create social media graphics, logos, flyers, and marketing materials. With tools like Canva, designers have easy access to learn. 6, we have WordPress website design. Millions of businesses need websites. WordPress allows you build websites without coding experience. 7. We have web development. This involves coding with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It takes longer to learn, but pays very well globally. 8. We have customer support representatives. Many companies hire remote workers to respond to customer questions, solve problems, and provide support through chat or emails. 9. We have transcription. This involves turning text into audio and turning audio into visuals. This is great for people with strong listening and typing skills. And on number 10, we have online tutoring. If you are good at teaching English, mathematics, coding, and other academic subjects, you can teach students online. Now let's talk about how someone can go from being unskilled to remote job ready. Step 1, choose one skill. Do not try to learn everything. Choose one skill from the list and focus on that for the next 90 days. Step 2, learn daily. Spend at least 1 to 2 hours every day learning. Consistency matters more than speed. Step 3, practice with projects. Do not just watch tutorials online. You must try to practice. Practice how to build a website, practice how to design social media graphics, write blog articles, and create Excel dashboards. Step 4, create a portfolio. This is the most important part. Employers want to see proof of your previous jobs, so create a portfolio showing your work. Social media page can be your portfolio. You can use GitHub, Notion, Google Drive, and Behance. Step 5, apply for remote jobs. Once you have skills and projects, you can start applying for jobs on LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, and remote job boards. Here are trusted platforms where you can learn these skills and earn a certificate all for free. You can learn digital skills on Allison. This platform is great for courses in IT, project management, and business skills. You can also explore courses on Class Central. This platform collects courses from all the universities around the world. Another excellent option is Open Classrooms. This platform focuses more on practicals. And lastly, if you want to learn coding, use Free Code Camp. It offers completely free coding certifications. Now, let me end with this. When 3,000 people apply for a remote job, most of them will be rejected, not because opportunities do not exist, but because skills are missing. The global digital economy rewards people who prepare. So instead of applying for jobs, use the next 3 to 6 months in building a digital skill. That one decision can change your career and possibly your life.
To the sponsor of this video, the Afritech Youth Empowerment Initiative, AYE. They are a Pan-African non-profit organization dedicated to empowering young Africans through technology, digital skills, innovation, and entrepreneurship. They are committed to bridging the digital divide by providing young Africans with the tools, knowledge, and opportunity to thrive in the 21st century digital economy. Is here. AYE has received sponsorship to train 10 people in web development, even if you have 0 skills in coding. Yes, you heard that right. No coding skills required. But here is the catch. This opportunity is available to only those currently living in Abuja. To participate, simply comment below this video. Tell us why you want to learn this web design and tell us how it will change your future. Our team will carefully review all the comments and select the best 10 responses to receive this fully sponsored training. And for those watching from other locations or interested in other skills, don't worry. Tell us in the comments what other tech skills you want AYE to train for free in our next cohort. This is just the beginning of what AYE is building for Africa. So go ahead and drop your comments.
So we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share this video with someone who is currently looking for a job. See you on our next video. Bye.